This is our density and volume quiz. Pause as you need throughout the quiz. If I go too fast, just pause it, finish the question, and then continue to play. Make sure you put your name at the top of the test. First question is equation to find density. I want you to write the equation to find density. Number 2, what is the definition of density? A, the amount of space an object takes up. B, the amount of mass in a given amount of space. C, the weight of an object. D, length times width times height. Number 3, what is the density of a billiard ball that has a volume of 100 centimeters cubed and a mass of 400 grams? I want you to identify what is the mass of the ball on the line. Identify what is the volume of the ball on the line. The last part of the question, calculate the density of the ball. Show your work and label your answer with the correct units. Number 4. A loaf of bread has a volume of 50 centimeters cubed and a mass of 300 grams. What is the density of the bread? What is the mass of the bread? Write that on the line. What is the volume of the bread? Write that on the line. The last part, calculate the density of the bread. Show your work and label your answer with the correct units. Okay, going to the back side, number 5. A cube has side lengths of 6 centimeters. What is its volume? Show your work and label your answers with the correct units. Number 6. Billy places 35 milliliters of water into a graduated cylinder. He then places a toy into the graduated cylinder. The water level in the graduated cylinder is now 48 milliliters. What is the volume of the toy? Show your work and label your answer with the correct units. And a bonus question. What is the method Billy used to find the volume of the toy called? All right, once you have finished with the quiz, again, make sure your name is on it. You've answered all the parts of the question. You labeled all your answers with the correct units. You showed your math work. If you didn't make math work and you put it in the calculator, make sure you write down at least what you wrote or typed into the calculator. Okay, and then turn it in to me.